What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm so happy my 335 is back. I bought this car from my buddy who built this thing up pretty nice. It's pretty reliable. Does not have a check engine light on at the moment. Actually, currently the only lights that are on the car, the airbag light, the seatbelt light, and the tire pressure sensor light. So to say the least, I know the car is gonna need some TPMS sensors, a curtain airbag for that side, and some coating to cancel out some of those lights. Maybe a seatbelt possibly as well. I'm assuming for the passenger side, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. So here it is. We actually swapped the whole quarter panel. But this time around, we decided not to go the James Bondo route and actually source a quarter panel. If you guys have not checked out those videos, maybe you should. I actually cut this quarter panel off of a junk car. Pretty sketchy, but I did it nonetheless. Fitment is pretty damn good. You know, I know it's really hard to match a lot of these lines, and they did pretty good. Actually, they did real good. You can see, as far as gappage wise, I think that side is better than this side, but we'll tell later on. The big fat Eisenman exhaust tips, which I have some exhaust videos for you guys where I'm just straight ripping on this thing. This M54 sounds good. Possibly the best M54 I've heard. When I took my car to the body shop, it wasn't like this. Unfortunately, I did not walk around the car to inspect it for any other damage. I was just super pumped on getting the car, talking around my mouth, shaking hands, passing money, that I totally missed to look for any other new damage that could have possibly been on the car. That's the number one thing you guys should check. Always walk around your car. It's best to point out the damage when you're there. Also take pictures before, because at the end of the day, I don't really know who did it. They could have possibly did it, somebody could have slipped up. However, I took delivery of the car, I drove it home, I parked it. When I came back, I seen it. So it's like, I don't know. Definitely a new grill piece. You know, in typical Mike fashion, I'm always getting somewhere, right? I gotta eat this one. So guys, just remember, check your freaking cars before you pick them up from anybody, even your freaking wife or your husband. Really miss this thing, believe it or not. This interior is probably one of the best interiors that came out of BMW, bro. Like, for its time kind of thing. All we just missing is a little 6-speed manual right there. Single hump, not bugging me too much. I don't think I'm gonna do anything radio-wise to it. You actually cannot see anything. The radio is actually all right now. I might replace the pixels to have it looking like the HVAC down there. Take it to my guy Yuri, have him detail all this up. Probably got to put some more red dye in there or something. That would be a dope video of restoring this thing back up to normal. I've been working on the M4 stuff, so right after I'm done with the M4, which will probably be like the tune, and I think that's about it, honestly. The tune, maybe find a fat tire for the back. I think I'm good, honestly. We're approaching the cold season anyway, too, so. Tune it, get the check engine light off and everything like that. I think I'll be probably good. And if this video drops before or after, I have an announcement for a USDME unlock, so we'll see how that's gonna go. I'll give you guys some Revity dibs from inside the cabin. This is a real loud exhaust, way louder than the M4. Woo! God, Eisenman for the win! That thing sounds freaking epic. This car is so sketch. It's not even that sketch, it's just, you know, it just feels sketch. You see that thing? Oh, I think that's the real rubbing. I don't know if you guys can hear it. It's so sketch, bro. I gotta stay out of the dips. I was supposed to go check my guy Jojo and rip it with him a little bit, the previous owner of this car, show him the progress and everything. But yeah, it didn't get to happen. So, you know, I've been doing a lot of things. I woke up late. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna front. I woke up mad late. and I decided not to go out there. I didn't feel like it. But you know, you gotta have a different type of mindset when you're taking this car on its first like long trip. Speaking of long trips, your boy's going to Jamaica, right? So chill out there. Obviously I'm flying the plane, but the second I get back, I gotta jump in this 335 and I'm running straight down to Ocean City for this little get together thing we having, and then 2.5 hours away to home, Owens Mills, you know, Baltimore County. So I really don't like this 6-speed tranny, man. It's like in like normal mode, I guess. It's like so luggish. Let me slap it in sport. Oh yeah. Oh, I know it's gonna burn so much more gas though, but yo, another thing too, I don't know, comment below if you guys know what this is, because you guys have been super helpful. Oh, I'm putting it back in regular. That thing downshift is so aggressive. I wasn't even expecting it. But yeah, comment below if you guys know what this is. But like, I could do a pull, and as soon as I let off, I hear like a knock. Like, let me see if I can recreate it right here. It's like a knock. Maybe control arm or something. Yo, that downshift is so violent. I don't know, it could be control arm. Oh, I gotta get off at 225. Yeah, let me over, let me over. Yeah, let me over. Yeah, big dogs. Yeah, let me over. Anyway, now we're out of that. I don't know, let me know if you guys know what that is. Probably control arm or something. The only time I notice is when I pull hard. Also running around, I got my scale with me. We went to go check out these wheels, and I always like to weigh wheels, especially before I buy them. I was thinking about getting reps. They were RS2 reps. I kind of put a picture of what they look like in the back and everything. The specs in the rear were perfect, 18/9 plus 30. The front was like 18/8. I really wasn't, I don't know. Love the way RS2s look. We'll never put the authentic ones on this car because, I don't know, just don't want to get stolen. And you know, I'm gonna give you the real. I think I might run the same setup I always run on my cars when I get aftermarket wheels, and those are Apexes. I don't think I'm pretty much going out of those because, you know, when you're filming stuff on YouTube, stuff have to make a lot of sense. One, it has to make the money, because I'm just not going to drop like $6 grand or how much it costs on RS2s on a car that I didn't even pay that much for, and you know, somebody take them or whatever. And I'm not going to generate that when it's time to let them go. Not that many people are gonna be jumping up to buy and pay that much money for wheels. I think I ran Vorsteiners, was my first wheel. Those took like a couple weeks to sell, right? Like, if anything, I like undercut how much my stuff is worth. I just want to get it going. I don't care about making the insane amounts of money. But they took weeks. After that, I ran the Arc 8's Apex wheels on my 435, and on my 328, I ran the same exact wheel, like spec and everything was a different wheel. When it was time to part ways, both of those wheel sets sold in under 24 hours. Under 24 hours for my asking price. Like, it's just a desirable, popular wheel. I can run them. They were 17, so they don't really get scraped up by parking. The tire's just so freaking huge. And it's like, yeah, man, I don't know. We got M340 right there. Yeah, so it just, you know, it makes sense. Guy right here. Let's see if he outside. Yo, where's your boy at? Mike. Oh, what's good? What's good?
You watching?
Huh?
You watching?
Nah, I want to see that.
Oh, he just went to the store on my car.
Oh shit.
Oh, we got the keys.
Do it. Yo, this guy right here, bro.
Oh shit, it's actually looking all nice.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Lined up perfectly too.
They ain't, oh my bad, let me open it for you.
You can't even fucking tell.
Nah, I could tell, bro. Hold on. Oh yeah, it's open now.
Not mine, but the white one I had in my driveway.
Yeah, we cut that.
Yeah, I saw his video.
Nah, I mean, nah, they did a good job.
They did a amazing job.
You
But
don't feel nothing right here. Once this get
That's
painted,
what I'm saying.
you will not know.
Yeah.
You say you know how.
Oh, I know, because it's 2 different colors right now.
Bruh.
Nigga,
Motherfucker is inside.
this shit lines up perfect though.
Yo, even down.
They had to bondo this, though. Because remember the last dude rolled it and pulled it out?
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, another rich guy.
God damn.
Oh, rich guy.
Yo, I might need you for something too, bro. Huh? Nah, it's not crazy. It's not crazy. I'll tell you later. Damn. This smells good shit, good shit. Yo, you already bashed it up at everything.
Jog and duck. Damn. No. Let's go. No. Move the car. We gotta go around the block. You gotta go.
Wait, did you just go around the block?
Yeah.
I don't feel them massaging me right now.
Go front.
Hey, pause. Yo, chill, bro, yo. I just scared this shit. I thought that was the cops.
It was.
Oh. Damn. Oh, all right, bro. We got a car right there, my nigga. You don't see that shit? Yo. Oh, now we got delayed. Yo. We got mag. I'm gonna sit in the trunk.
Like, my car is like,
Yeah. Yo, bro, you just pressing the gas excessively now. Chill out, bro. Yeah, I'm not a good passenger. Let's just go.
The whole time we drove it back from Florida, I was inefficient.
That's the thing, though. A lot of people begin. Efficient is not slower. It's just smooth.
Yeah, it's just
and then like the throttle response is good.
Yeah, it's a little. Cause sometimes I ain't going front. I like some comfort better because it's like it's progressive. Cause Sport Plus, you tap the gas and it be like all over the place. Yo, that M6 is no joke. Whew, finally worked. I gotta get a replacement key for this thing because comfort access ain't really comfort accessing. This thing sound like a Volkswagen. Riding with this E36 M3 right in front of me, clean. I have a feeling we're going to the same place. I don't know, just one of them type of things, you know. So say we here. Oh, we made it. Look at that. What's up, bro? You said what?
My man came to fly, boy.
Yeah, what happened to your leg?
What's wrong with it?
I don't know, you're like a crip walk or something going on.
Yeah, I'm just swollen, you know what I mean? What
What's
up,
good,
man?
bro? This guy, I'm so Euro.
I'm so Euro.
Guy right here is
I
famous.
know who you are, nigga. I watch your videos. You know, every time I go with this nigga, somebody does that.
Yo, this dude
That's
lying,
no
bro.
cap, bro.
Yeah,
Bro,
They be like,
no
I'm so
cap. You know
Euro.
that meet that we was at? The one I was working at?
Yeah. That's our funeral?
Wedding.
How do you say
Wedding.
funeral?
Wedding.
Dead. He's dead.
Something's dead.
It's a V10 or something.
So what do you think about the V10s?
I like them.
Do you
They
say
actually.
they're top tier in the sound or not?
Yes.
I think
Yeah.
they're a little overrated.
Top
I
V10
think
ever.
I think it's top tier, bro. I drove in a V10 with like a Troy G Stroker kit V10, bro. Bro, that's a joke.
He's a madman, bro.
Yeah, it scream. It's like a Lambo.
It- To me, it carries itself too exotic to kind of be classed in the rest of the.
I think that's why.
What do you think the greatest sound in BMW? Look. Look.
What's the
Yeah.
sound of
No. The greatest sound in BMW, bro. Look.
BMW Motors as a whole, and say who's top tier.
Who's
I'm gonna say this. This is my opinion. I feel like you could take when it comes to S65, right? You can have seven different S65 motors, and they all sound different. And they all
Yo,
sound
I knew
good.
he's a yo. This guy's officially a fanboy. Yeah,
Nah, but
I'm
the
so
V10
Euro.
This is the best sounding engine they ever made.
But the,
I had to come over here real quick. 'Cause I want to see what size these are. What size is this? So I guess these are the 17s. Oh yeah, they are a lot smaller. Are these? What's that?
What's up, bro? You got the other
What's good? Oh yeah, yeah. Damn, I remember you. I was looking to see like, damn, I want some arcades, but I'm looking to see like, damn, should I get 17s or 18s? I don't know.
I like the 17.
Yeah, I like them too. Yeah, so I'm looking at the. Yo, you have 17, he has 18. But good shit. I guess you're about to ride out.
Yeah, bro.
All right, bro. Yo, I'll catch you, man.
Oh, yeah, bro.
Yeah. Batteries and all that stuff are dead. I would have loved the kit. Right to capture for you guys, but yeah, it ain't happening today. So I'm too scared. Nah, I'm scared, yo. This bridge don't got no barriers, and he want to race. Oh hell nah. Hell nah. Woo! I knew I was gonna get his ass. I was just scared. Yo, this bridge right here is sketchy. Yo, I be so scared, yo. Especially with my tires set up in this bridge. Oh, nah. Beautiful, though. Beautiful day outside. Look at this. I'm not hating on no bridge. I'm not hating on no bridge. Ooh, they moving. I ain't doing no hit on the bridge with my tires the way it is. My wheels, oh no. Yo, parking lot lit. E46 M3, E39 M5, E92 M335 or 335M. I mean, I can just put an M badge on this thing, and I mean, I got the hat. M335. Yo, it's crazy. I bought this car for daily purposes. I had a bunch of other options, like a motorcycle, which I'm glad I didn't get that as a daily. Honda Element, which I don't know, I wouldn't have minded that. Probably had to cut the cats out myself before somebody else beats me to the punch. Now, I average about 16 miles per gallon in the M4. This car averaged about 11.5 miles per gallon. So this is significantly worse. It doesn't make any sense to have it as a daily. This is probably gonna turn into one of my other fun cars. I probably, I don't know, start like an OnlyFans or something and sell myself to be able to afford a daily to where I don't have to spend trillions and billions and millions of dollars on 93 gas. I wonder what happens if I put 87 in this thing. Maybe I don't wonder. Nice, man, nice. Which one's this one? Is this the E39 M5 or the 540? Oh, I like it, I like it. Nice, nice. I kind of assumed that when I heard you pull up because it sounded freaking awesome. What exhaust you got in it?
Super Sprint.
Super Sprint, okay, okay. This is a 335. I have Eisenman. It's pretty good.
Eisenman is the best.
Yeah, Eisenman's pretty, and I bought it like that.
It's the best.
Yeah. Yo, take it easy, man, all right?
You say it.
Hey, you too, man. Thing's nice. Woo. Yo, the M5s, man, that thing's worth a lot of money, actually. You know, young 335 guys gotta give him them ribs. Give him them ribs.